Gary, you better hurry. The scavenger hunt is gonna start soon. Alright, Nick. Alright. Geez. Well, here I am. Don't forget to bring back bacon eggs with sandwich. I want an garlic. And what is even a chicken bacon sandwich? I know. I'll look it up for you. Some of the things we have to find is the switch box, and yeah, and we also have to find the torch, and we have to find the train, and we also have to find a rubber tube. Let's start looking. First, let's look over here. Tell me if you see anything. Tell me if you see anything. Whoa, what's that? What's that? You see it? Where? Where do you see it? That's correct. Oh, behind the spaceship? Ew. Good work. You found the switch box. Now, what did we have to find? What else did we have to find? Oh yeah, that's right. The torch. Come on, let's go find it. Tell me if you see anything. Oh, you see it? Where? Behind this brick. Congratulations! You found the torch. Hey, no stealing. I'll buy it. Hold on a second, folks. How much? $20. Okay, there you go. Now we nearly have everything. Okay, so far we have Xbox 3000 and the torch. There's only one more thing left to find. No, two. The rubber tube and the train. Tell me if you see anything. Oh, you think you see something? Where is it? Behind Jetpack Guy? Jetpack Guy, can you move? Okay. Congratulations, you found the train. Out it comes. Okay. So far, we found the Xbox 3000, the torch, and the train. Now we just have to find the rubber tube. Tell me if you see anything. Behind Luigi's face. There it is. You found the rubber tube. Congratulations. You found everything that's meant to be found on the scavenger hunt. First we have the Switchbox 3000, the torch, the train. If you would like to have your own scavenger hunt, post us, and we'll try and find your stuff. We'll post you if we see anything. Goodbye, and please subscribe.